We announced today that we are launching, and actually have launched and are using, what we're calling the Transportation Mobility Cloud, or TMC, because you have to have an acronym. And what it does is it provides foundational elements that any app or service would need to build out in order to make it operate. So examples of that would be things like security, identity, maybe some fundamental pay functionality. So every time you build an application or a service, you don't have to recreate these foundational elements because they're commodity-like functions. It lets everybody else focus on the value-add apps on top. If you think of it conceptually, like if you want to put an app in an app store, you don't rewrite iOS. You just put your app on top of iOS and put it in the App Store. What we're building out these foundational elements is very analogous to that, and allowing everybody else, including ourselves, to focus just on the top layer where we provide the value and the functionality to the customers. Part of the excitement is we're opening the platform. It's an open platform, and we're inviting developers to join. And we're going to have an announcement, I mentioned it in the keynote, very soon, to announce more about how that will work. We'll have a developer toolkit, and we'll announce how that will work, inviting people on the platform to develop. And we think it's really exciting because usually, solving these big problems of cities, it takes a village, basically. Jim Hackett talked about that in his keynote too. And we think it's even more exciting to invite everybody to join and to learn from each other and create value together. And also, by providing these elements in our cloud, the other app developers don't have to worry about rewriting them. They can just worry about writing their apps that add value and hopefully have a lot of fun.